Peace, family. Welcome to the market story. I have an MMS weekly chart pulled up. If you see last week, we had a nice engulf 3 candle. So coming into this week, coming into tomorrow, I want to see the price pull back to either the daily 50% or the weekly 50% to see for a continuation bearish. But if you look right here, we have already hit the 50% of the month. So this week, I want to see what price do. Either price can bounce around this area and soon go back up, or price can fail and come down. So that's what we're looking at for MMS. We got a 3 candle on the weekly. Then if we go to the daily, we got an engulf. So price is showing bearish right now. But if you look on a monthly, we had a nice 2 months. So we already pulled back to the 50% of the month. So this week, I think price is going to bounce around, and I feel like this would be a good opportunity to take things back to the upside. That's MMS, and then let's drop down to M2K. I'm only going to go over the ticker symbols that I'm trading this week. So it's going to be MMS and M2K. That's what I'm looking at. So M2K, we got a nice 2 down on the weekly right here. If you see, I got the 50% daily, 50% weekly, and then just like MMS, M2K have already touched the previous month 50% level. So I want to see how price react around this level to soon push back up, or if we come down here and fail and eventually come back down. So those are my two scenarios for MMS and M2K for futures. Now let's drop down to the stock options. Just like MMS and SPY correlates. So SPY got a 3 down and Gulf. So coming into next week, coming into Monday, we want to see how price react to the 50% daily level, the 50% weekly level. And then just like MMS, we got the fib drawn up. So prices already reacted to the 50% fib level of the month. So we want to see what price is going to do around this range to either go back up or price come back down for a bearish continuation. Those are the two scenarios for the week. But I think that price is eventually going to bounce around this 50% fib level and soon go back up to highs. And that SPY, then if we look at IWM is the same movement as M2K. Now we got a 3 on the weekly, not a 2. We got a 3. So price broke both sides and came down to finish bearish. So we got the 50% daily fib, the 50% weekly drum, and I got the 50% of the monthly. So coming into next week, we want to see what price do. If you see, price has rejected the 50% fib level already. So coming in, we want to see a price bounce around to soon go back up, or if we want to see price to come down and fail. Those are the two scenarios that I'm watching this week. And if you look at the charts, a lot of things has really, everything's looking bearish. Everything's looking bearish right here on the video chart. If you see, we got a lot of bearish. Other than the indices, I really don't have too many ticker symbols I like, because a lot of tickers are showing 3s. So 3 is really not a actual signal. It's a change of direction. So I really want to see now on SMCI. This right here, we can this right here is looking for a bearish continuation. But also we got a engulf last week. So I want to see if price fail this week, then we can touch this down here. So I could put SMCI on my alert right here. If SMCI fail 41, then we can test this 35 level for the week. So we're gonna put that right there for SMCI and do a target right there. And put red, put that for right there. So coming into the week, got a fail 2 up. On the daily, we got a Gulf right there. Then we got a 2-2. So if price break this, we can look to take profits at least right here in this area, around this 36, 35 area. So be mindful of that for SMCI. Let's see what else got to see. That got a 3, got a 3. SMCI like Mara got a 3, 3. We got U with a failed 2 up. Got a 3 right here. Then we got a 3, 2. So if you want to ride U is a good one for a good bearish move. Got a 3. Then we got a 3, 2. But the 3 right here is what's crucial right here. But if price feel this right here, then we can go down. So we can set an alert from that. I like Unity right there. If we go to Nokia, we got a 3, got a 3, 3. And these are all my small caps too also. This is my small caps for a small account trader. I'm a small account trader right now. So I'm only trading small caps and indices right now. APLD, got a Gulf on a week, got a 2 down, fell 2 up, so yeah. See a pullback on that. Got a fell 2 up on Rackspace. This can be another good one right here. Got a fail 2 up right here on a week. Price come down right here and try this. Fail 2 up on a week. On a daily, we got a 2. Then we got a 2, 1. So if price fail $4, it can test right here to this 398. It's a small move. It's about 75%, $75 move. 75% move. Small move right here. And then we got SoFi on the week. This is showing a 3. Yep, leave that alone. See, we got Rivian showing 2 up. Came down. So got a May. We got a shooter on May. Review previous week low. Yeah, if Revivia break this low right here, because we got a shooter on the monthly. Shooter on the monthly for the weekly. So we know price is gonna pull back. We got Friday, we got a 2 down right here, back into May. And then on the 4 hour, we got a 2, 2. So the price continue from this right here, this can be another small movement. Yep. Price break there and break this low right here. We can ride that down. So that's a Rivian. It's a good one. Got that. Got a 3 on there. Got a 2 up on there. Got a 3. Yeah. So it's not really a good signal. Poet fail 2 up. Poet got a fail 2 up. Yeah, Poet can be a good one too also. Fail 2 up if it break the weekly. If it break this level, we want to see it break that level. Yeah, if it get below that level. Yeah, Poet, say that. Got a fail 2 down. Got a 2 down. Got a 3, yeah. Okay. So yeah. Fail 2 up right there. Gotta come down. So yeah, this can be a good one too. Chrome can be a good one too. Ride that down to this 3 right here. Yeah. Chrome could be a good one. So that's four bearish plays I'm looking at this week. We got Broom, we got Poet, we got SMCI, we got U, and that's it. Oh yeah, I think we got this one too. Rackspace Technology. So that's 4 plays I'm looking at. Broom, Poet, Rackspace, Unity, and SMCI. Those are our 4. If we have a bearish week this week, that is what I'm looking for. But according to the charts right here, It's looking bearish. The only thing I can say is we at this 50% of the monthly level. So that's a nice that's nice right there. So I got a few bearish plays on Monday. As far as bullish plays, I don't have nothing bullish because everything is showing bearish right now. The market is showing bearish. Yeah. So we're showing bearish. The market is showing bearish this week unless we have other signs. Now let's go down to the economic calendar. Monday and Tuesday we don't have no red for the news, so it's not gonna be really a news day. Now Wednesday we have red for the news. Got core inflation rate, and then Thursday we got PPI. Yeah. So Wednesday and Thursday are the two red for the days. So Monday and Tuesday possibly be bearish continuation. Not really no big moves, but the big moves gonna come from Wednesday and Thursday this week, based off news days. And that is my market story for the week. If you make some money off those levels, always remember, I'm not a financial guy, so take this at your own risk. Always remember to put a stop loss to protect your capital, and let's have a nice week. Peace, family.